The defense case in the Karen Read murder trial opened Friday with a digital forensics expert challenging the prosecution's timeline of events surrounding the death of John O'Keefe, while prosecutors moved to block testimony about inflammatory texts that suggest bias against Read, which were sent by the lead police investigator.
Defense attorney Alan Jackson called Matthew DeSagra, a specialist in car data and crash reconstruction, as his first witness. DeSagra analyzed the prosecution's digital evidence from Read's Lexus SUV, focusing on data indicating the vehicle reversed near 12:32 a.m. on the night O'Keefe died, a time prosecutors allege coincides with O'Keefe's cell phone ceasing movement.
DeSagra initially stated that data showed O'Keefe locking his phone occurred after the SUV's reverse event. However, prosecution expert Shannon Burgess changed claims regarding clock differences between O'Keefe's phone and the SUV, and now DeSagra testified that 3 out of 30 possible scenarios indicated O'Keefe could have locked his phone before any alleged collision.
Under cross-examination by Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan, DeSagra acknowledged he had not produced a formal report detailing his analysis and, when challenged, stated that he had relied on facts created by the prosecution's own experts.
Earlier Friday, Jackson moved for a required finding of not guilty on all charges against Red, arguing the prosecution failed to prove a collision between Red's SUV and O'Keefe occurred. No reasonable jury could find Karen Red guilty, Jackson asserted. This case never should have been brought in the first place. Judge Cannon immediately denied the motion.
Prosecutors also filed a motion Friday opposing defense efforts to call 4 witnesses connected to group text chats involving fired Massachusetts State Police Trooper Michael Proctor. They argued testimony about the texts would be inadmissible hearsay, noting, "Michael Proctor is available to testify." Proctor, a lead investigator in the case whose texts became a major issue in the first trial, admitted sending messages about Red, including calling her a whack job and stating, "Hopefully she kills herself."
Outside court Thursday, Karen Red indicated her defense team expects their case to last 1.5 to 2 weeks. It remains unclear if the defense will recall key witnesses from the first trial not called by the prosecution this time, including homeowner Brian Albert, federal agent Brian Higgins, or Proctor. The trial continues on Monday.